Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's
Sure.
not visible, sir, but
Due to network
it's
problem,
not
it may
visible.
happen.
Yes,
It
yes,
will
sir.
be.
Yes,
Sometimes it will be network problem from your end and my end. It will be take some time. So Madhukar and Praveen,
now
are
it's
you able
visible,
to
sir.
see?
Please proceed ahead. Now it's visible.
Okay, very good. So just I have been opened the screen, I have been logged into the system by giving the user and password, and I have been open. SAP Easy Access screen is nothing but an end user screen. As per the requirement and module, they will go and post the transaction in accounting, financial accounting. We are going to post the general ledger. So just click here and we are going to enter the document entry. If you see here, enter GL document. So FB60 is the transaction code. FB60 is the transaction code. And if you double click over here in this path, it will move to the screen. This is the header data. In header data, what we will do, document date, posting date, and reference, document header text, and which type of document we are going to post, SCA. SCA is nothing but GL account posting. So if you see here, enter GL document for company code RGO. So for our company code, we have to post it. So we have to switch on to our company code. So I will let you know how it is. And you have to do this all the things. And if you see here, the GL accounts, which account has to be debited, which GL account has to be created. You have to give line item wise. And these are all the things we will be doing by posting GL ones. So we have been created the GL accounts like bank account and share capital account, one expense account, one income account. We have been created the GL account. So that is nothing but a chart of a list of GL accounts is called a chart of accounts. So it will be called as a chart of accounts. So in that we can choose one GL account, whatever we have been created as GL account, either you want to credit or debit, like as per the situation, as per the transaction, you can do it. So this is the way to go with the path. So I want to show you in the transaction code also. Again, I want to show you this. This is the screen. If you want to give any transaction, just prefix /n. FB50 is the transaction code for enter the GL account, just press enter. If you see here, enter GL account document company code RGO. So we have been done the configuration of enterprise structure, basic settings, and we have been done the settings of GL, and we have been created the GL master. Now we are going to post the GL posting transaction. So this is the transaction we have to do in this window only. If you see here, which type of transaction we are posting, GL account. But the thing is nothing but like the company code is RGO. So we have to switch on to our company code. Go to the company code, switch company code, and you just change a company code over here. What's your company code? BAJM?
PHAM.
Yes, BAJM. Just give the hit here. And system will understand that to BAJM company code, what are the physical year variant we have been given assigned, all the things will be shown, like act accordingly, what we have been done the configuration for BAJM. So we are posting on particular legal entity Bajaj Motors, and who will do this task? The end users. The end who are called as the end users? End users who are working in a particular organization, in particular department, finance and accounts. They keep on posting the transactions in day to day, the people who are called as the end users. So we make the ready to data to post the transaction. So now we are allowing to post the transaction by the end users. This is the end user task and this is the transaction data we are doing. Are you getting everybody?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Kishore or Praveen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Praveen? Praveen, are you
Yes, sir.
there?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what? Oh, okay. Just if you give the letter transaction code FB50, the system is telling that enter GL account document company code BAJM. So if your company code is not, this is a server system, no? Sometimes like some other people using this. So you have to make sure that your company code. Why? Because we have been done with this particular legal entity, the configuration has been done. So we are posting the transaction. That is the transaction data. If you see here, document header we can call as document date, posting date, reference, document header text. Okay. What is the document type? SCA. SCA is nothing but GL account document, GL posting. We are posting a GL account posting, and SAP has been predefined that document type is nothing but a posting of transaction. Which type of transaction we are posting? GL. The GL account posting document type in SAP is SCA. Are you getting? Posting. So These are the fields, reference and document header text. It will come from the document type. Which type of document we are going to posting right now? SA/N OBA7 is the transaction code to see the document types. If you see here, now we are talking about the SA, that is nothing but GL account document. Just press enter and select this line item and go to the details button. You can see here the document type is SA, is predefined by the SAP GL account, and number range is 01, and reversal document type is AB. So if you see here, the reference number and document header text is there. If you put here 2 tick marks, and if you have been saved this for the particular document type, what will be the impact? If you see here, these reference and this document text, you have to give the mandate fields over here. If it is not put a tick mark over here in the document type, there is no need to give. Okay, that's the control has been given in the posting of transaction. This will be with the effect of you have been put the tick marks over there in the document type for the SCA. So the you have to do mandate over here. Okay, are you getting my point? So right now I want to post one transaction. Today's date is what? 11/09/2025. Okay, and document date. Posting date is what is the difference between the document date and posting date? Anybody?
Posting date means a date on which the transaction is going to be posted in
Document
a
date is
system.
which the invoice was raised, and
Yeah,
posting date is when it was received.
yes. Very good, very good. Both of them are correct. Okay. So that's the difference. So I'm giving here document date and posting date as same. So if you see here, the currency INR is like defaultly it is coming. Why? Because this particular company code we have been defined this company. One minute. That's the one. So if you see here, I've been given the document date and posting date, currency is INR, the reference and document header text. So we have to give. What's the reference? Like you can give any like a 001, like our reference number we can give. So in the sequence, it should be like if you want to give like VAJM on /001, like you can give. So as per the business requirement, we can go and we can do the number. So if you see here, document header. So I don't want to do these things. First, suppose what will happen, I will show you. This is the header text. So if you see here for which company code we are posting, Bajaj Motors Private Limited Kerala. So this is GL account posting, and GL account. What is the GL account we have to debit? For suppose we are paying a rent through the bank. Okay, 10,000 rupees. So without having sufficient balance in a bank, how can you pay the rent? First of all, what we have to bring? We have to bring the capital into the business. Correct? Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So we will be bringing the capital. What will be the accounting entry? Praveen?
Sir,
Praveen, you have to tell.
sir,
Ah,
once again repeat the question, sir.
yes. We have been brought, business has been brought the capital into the bank or 50 lakhs rupees. What will be the accounting entry?
Sir, bank account debit to capital account.
Yes, yes. Yes. You know that, like I know you, but I want to, I want the answer from Praveen. Praveen, is it correct or if any other entry?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For capital work, it will be the
Of course. Liability for us. Okay. Correct. Correct. Shall we do that accounting entry, Madhukar?
Yes, sir.
it will
Okay.
come under capital expenses.
Yes, if you see here, we are bringing the capital. When business is bringing the capital into the bank, 50 lakhs. So what will be the accounting entry means just you just what I'm telling, just to F4 or you can left click over here and system will show you that This is the chart of accounts. In this chart of account, the GL accounts has been shown. That's the reason we have been told the list of GL accounts is nothing but a chart of accounts. Whatever the chart, the GL accounts we have been created in the list, that will be the chart of account. Just click here. Under this, what is our accounting entry? We have to we have been brought, the business has been brought the capital into the business in the bank. So 50 lakhs. So what will be the debit? Bank will be the debit and share capital will be the credit, correct? So what will be the debit? The bank is the HDFC bank, which was been created by us, is 1000 GL account number. Just double click over here. And if you see here, the debit, how much the amount we have been brought into the business? 50 lakhs. Am I correct? 50 lakhs is 7 zeros, no?
50 lakhs is 60, sir, not 70. 70 is
7 zeros,
equal
1
to-
crore.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I am poor in mathematics. Okay. So anyway, like if you see here, what will be the credit? What will share capital with the credit? We have to credit it. Here we are giving the debits and credits. Okay. If you see here, the 50 lakhs I have to give. Debit is always equal to credit. Okay. Am I correct? Kishore?
Yes, sir.
Madhukar?
Yes, sir. Please.
Yes, sir.
You are experts in accounting, no? So you are like senior most
Yes.
accountants. Yes.
Yes.
You have to
Yes.
help in the accounting entries. So,
Yes, sir.
been
I did
share.
my master and completed my chartered accountancy course, sir. Then why should I not know about this simple entry? We had studied this since class 11. Please be ahead.
Without capital, we can't do the business. No, this is the basic. Just that's the thing. You know very well. Just I would like to tell that, like, this is the thing. Within this, we can do it. That's the thing. We need share capital introduced into the business. This is the narration I'm giving. Okay. Just I want to select this narration. For which line item I have been given? For the bank line item. Again, I have to give the narration for the same control V. I have been not posted. Means like when you can copy it. Okay, control C, and you can paste it over here. So this is the things like we have been given. We have been debited the bank and created the share capital with some of the amount like 50 lakhs, and having in the narration that we in share capital introduced into the business. So the all ready. So what we have to do? We have to just press enter. Okay, I have been pressed enter. If you see here, the 2 tick marks has been came here. That is nothing but like, if you see, the bank has been debited and we have been given the credit as. We have to simulate to see the accounting entry. So how to see it? Go to the document and simulate it. Our company code is BAJM, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
What
Yes,
what is
correct,
what
sir.
is the need of simulate, sir?
Simulate it to see the accounting entry with the header data and line item wise data. So if you see here, I have been simulated, no? Just go to the document and simulate, press left click over there, and you will be getting the brief. Which type of document we have been entered? SA. SA is nothing but GL account posting. And if you see here, the company for which company code we have been posted, BAJM for fiscal year 2025. When it was being document date, today's date, and posting date is today's date, period is 06. Even though you have been paid as 11/9/2025, the period is 09. Why 06? Why it is?
More
Because
6
it's
months,
6
sir.
months, sir.
Ending account book, closing books.
No. We have been taken as a financial year April to March. So as per the calendar year Jan to December, so we give the posting as per the calendar, like I have been mentioned 11/9/2025. But the year is starting the fiscal year. We have been taken as a fiscal year variant as April to March. April is the first month. If you have been count from April, April is the first month, May is the second month, June is the third month, July is the fourth month, fifth month is the August, current month is September, sixth month is September. System has been taken as a sixth month. Understood? How it will be the impact? We have been creating the fiscal year variant and we have been assigned that variant as April to March as non-calendar year, and system for the company code, we have been assigned this fiscal year we are using is a non-calendar year. From that, the system has been considered as a 9th period as 6th month as per the non-calendar year. Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you see here, the document currency is INR. In which currency we have been posted? We have been posted in the currency INR. Okay. Are you getting?
Yes.
So this is the line item. This is the line item wise you can see. This is the line item 1 and this is the line item 2. Okay. Two line items will be there. One is debit and one is credit. That is nothing but a line item or determines the debit and credit side of the posting of transaction. So what we have been debited, we have been given the debit there, HDFC Bank, and credit is share capital. If you see here, it's not showing in the debit and credits. As I told you, for GL account, the posting key is nothing but 40 for debit, and in the GL account, the credit posting key is 50 for the credit. So if you see here, the debit posting key means what? It determines the debit and credit side of the transaction. First line item HDFC Bank with the 1000 GL account number we have been created. It was been debited. 40 is the debit posting key for the GL account and 50 is the credit posting key for the GL account. So share capital has been created with the posting key 50. Now you have to save it. Okay, document 1000 was posted in company code. System has been generated the document number. Earlier, when I was simulated, at the time document number has not been there. Now it was been shown the document. How the document number has been generated, I will show you. Which document type we are posting? GL. So if you see here, 01 is there. Go to the number range and what's your company code? BAJM. And go to the interval display. I have been given that number ranges 01 is the number range for the SCA document type. SCA document type is nothing but GL document for the year 2025 to for a company. I have given the 01 means like in BAJA, whatever the GL accounts we are going to create post the transaction, the document number will be generated from this number range. 01 is nothing but a SCA. So 2025 for the year, I have been mentioned 1000 to 1999 means 1000 GL accounts we can create under this thing. So out of this 1000 to 1999, one document we have been posted. The transaction is nothing but GL account and it has been generated the document number from this number range and it has been shown that number range status as 1000. Understood? One document has been posted in GL. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Praveen?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Madhukar?
Yes, sir.
Means like you have to understand that the transaction type SCA transaction type number range has been given 01. For 01 to our company code we have been linked and we have given the year and we have been told the system these many GL accounts we will be creating. So whenever you post the transaction GL, then document number will be generated from the number range. That number range is nothing but 1000 to 1999. And earlier it was not there in status. Now it has been shown that NR status, number range status. See, out of this number range, one number was been consumed and it was been shown generated the document number. So it has been told, it was been shown the status 1000 means one number was been consumed and document number has been generated. So if you want to create another GL account, the 1000 plus 1 means 1001 means plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. The status will be shown that many GL accounts we have been created. The status in status it will be showing. Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I want to know you that I want to show you the field status variant. I have been told you field status variant, correct? /n OBC4. Just press enter. So what is the field status variant we have been created? BHAM, correct? Just press enter. And if you see here, just select this item and go to the status, field status. These are the groups are there. So if you see here, just I want to, while creating the GL account, I have been shown you the field status, like I have been assigned the group for particular thing. Just I want to go for the /n FS00. I want to show you the asset. For asset, HDFC Bank, I have been given the G001. Okay, the G001 assets and liabilities also having the 001. So I want to show you the field status group impact. So which was being used in the particular GL account G001. So if I click G001 and go to the general data, if you see here text is optional. If I put required and I want to save it, what will be the impact? I have been told you that field status variant control the fields which appears during the posting of transaction. Understood? So now I will post the transaction and what will be the impact I will show you. So I want to close this. I want to close this and I want to, oh, yes, I want to open a new session and I want to post the transaction. I will see what will be the impact will be FB50. Just press enter. And if you see here, same as like posting same entry. And I want to show you in this thing what GL account, like I want to uh, expense account, like I have been paid something. So I have been paid the audit fee. Just I want to debit the audit fee. For example, I'm telling. So how much I have been paid? 50,000. Okay. Through the bank, I have been paid 1,000. And if you see here the credit and 50,000 will be the credit. And what will be the narration? I'm not giving anything else text. I haven't put required over there, but I am not giving. If I press enter, system will throws the error that for document type essay, an entry is required in the field reference numbers, field reference. So you have to give the field reference here. Here, the field reference is this one. Why? Because in document type, 1 minute, please. Okay, I will show you here. /n OBA7, just press enter. In OBA7, which type of document we are creating? SCA. Just press enter, select this line item, go to the details. I have been given the reference number and document header text mandate fields over there. So that's the reason system is not allowing to post the transaction. There it is. I haven't closed the what. One minute. Yes. If you see here, the reference number and document header text has been put a tick mark over here and is a mandate to field to be filled while posting the transaction for this particular document. So if I remove this, the system won't show the error. I will show you the impact. So if you see here, again, I'm going to post the FB60, FB50, and I just want to post the transaction. And if you see here, I'm not giving any reference header. Just if you go and see here, just I want to debit the audit fee. Why? Because I'm paying. So if you see here 1,000 and it was been created, what how much amount? Like 50,000. And here I'm giving the 50,000. I'm testing here. I'm showing what will be the impact. So the text I'm not giving here, just press enter. If you see here, an entry is required in item text field for 3,000. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So how it will be the impact means field status variance. The field status variant I have been open here and I have been go 001. Why? Because for this particular both the things, the GL accounts for bank as well as like share capital, I have been gone with the field status group as G001. In 001, the fields will be there. The text field I have been put as a required entry. So that's the reason system is asking to fill the required entry in the text entry over here. As I told you, while posting the transaction, it controls the fields. Which field you have been put the suppressed, required, or optional. I have been put the text field. So for this particular thing, it's showing it's not allowing to post the transaction. Why? Because we are not given the text over there. Now, if you give the text over here for this particular line item, just press enter. And again, it will be telling that an entry is required in item text field for 1000 GL account. For 1000 GL account also, we have been used same group, no? This group. So if you see here, this group I have been gone G001, text I have been put the required entry. So that's the reason system is asking to fill the required entry over here. So I have to give the narration over here. If I press enter, system will take. Without anything else, system has been taken in green color tick mark has been checked. Understood? Okay,
Yes,
understood. In the simulation part, I have been showing you that the system has been shown that like a sixth period, that is physical year variant from physical year variant came. And again, I have been told you like number range also. The document number will be generated from number range. And there's a field status variant control the fields with posting during the posting of transaction. I have been told these are the fields will be controlled as per the thing you have been given. Anything you have been given like that means like in the assignment, if you put required entry, you have to give the assignment number over there. So whatever the things is there, fields will be controlled by the field status variant through the groups. In that group, the fields will appear. In that fields, if you put the three options out of that one option required, you have to give the mandate over there. If you give that field particular option, you are will or wish you have to give or not. If you put suppressed, it was been hidden. So you need not give anything else. It is hide. That's the three things will be having the field status group, field status variant we can call as. So while field status variant creation, so we have been copied from 0001 and that variant having the 40 dependent entries, 40 to 50. So that it has been copied to our own variant. As per the need and requirement while creating the GL account, we use the field status groups. So here in HDFC Bank GL account creation, we have been used as G001 as a group, field status group. In G001 group, whatever the fields are there, that fields we can control. Here, we will post in the transaction, that impact will be there. Okay, that I have been told. And what we have to discuss, and I have been showing you the posting keys, like 40 is the debit posting key for GL account and 50 is the credit posting key for the GL account. I have been shown you. So, and one more thing I have to show you. What the thing? The sort key. I've been told you that while creation this GL account, if you see here, I've been used the sort key. 001 is a posting date. So this is the thing. If you see here for the share capital account also, I have been used this share capital for this Bajaj Motors is 001. I have been told you that while displaying the report, assignment column, you will be having the posting date. When we have been posted for this particular GL account, the date will be mentioned, date will be displayed on the assignment column. I want to show you. Okay. Is it clear, everybody?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Praveen?
Yes, sir.
Praveen, is it okay? Do you want me to repeat again? Is it okay for you? Are you comfort? Are you getting my point? Praveen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now what we have to do is nothing but like we have to check the one thing. It's like /n FBL 3N is the transaction code to see the report like GL account line item display we can call as. Just remove this line item as we can see. So if you want to see like for this particular company code, what is our company code? BAJM. So if you see here, just execute it and you will be seeing here the GL account 1000. How many GL accounts you have been used? That many GL accounts will be shown. Obviously, it will be showing the two GL accounts. Why? Because we have been posted the debit and credited with the two things. So if you see here, one line item is 1000, the HDFC bank account for the company code BAJM. If you see here, assignment is there, no? So for this particular GL account, I have been given the sort key over the 001. When I have been posted for this particular GL account 1000, the date will appear in the assignment column, I have been told. If you see here, the date is nothing but from right to left, if you see here, 11 is the today and 09 is the month, 2025 is the year. Understood? The document number was being generated by system 1000. How it will be generated? The number range I have been shown. Which type of document it is? SA is nothing but GL account document. Document date when we have been posted, today's date. Net due date, there is nothing. So if you see posting key, the debit, it is the debit. Why? Because the amount has been came into a bank. The bank balance will be shown as debit. That posting key which was being given by the SAP debit posting key for GL account is 40. How much of amount we have been brought into the capital? 50 lakhs. In which currency we have been got? Local currency. Our company code local currency is nothing but INR. What is the narration? If you see here, being share capital introduced into the business. Understood?
Understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, if you see here 2000, the share capital for company code BSAM and assignment is nothing but it comes under the sort key. And for the 2000 GL account also we have in the sort key as 001, that is the posting date. The date which has been posted for this particular GL account, it comes from the right to left. If you see here 11/9/2025, the document number is 1000. This is the line item 2. Let's credit you are seeing. So this is the
Sir,
type
if
of
you post,
GL account.
if you post another document means, what will be the document number?
1000 plus 1. 1001 will come.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because we are doing only GL account.
Means how
For the
many,
GL
how
account, we have
many, how many entries we have done means those all entries will appear here only in this
document
under
number.
this
Document number.
under this T code only.
Document number. What T code? Like posting the transaction. After posting the transaction, the document number will be generated from the number range which you have been specified the number range from number to number. From that number, the one of the number will be taken as a document number as a reference number.
Mm-hmm.
Understand? I will post one more transaction, then you can see. Okay.
Okay.
I'll show you. Okay. So if you see here, just I want to open and I want to post on more document B50 and just press enter. And this is the same, like you have to see our company code we are posting. Just I want to post here. And if you see here, the again, I'm like you can create a GL account rent and all those things, traveling expenses and all. For example, I haven't taken as audit fee. You can create the rent account also. Just I want to create one account for you without anything confusions. In expenses, I have been created the audit fee only. Just okay, we can use the audit fee. So we can use the audit fee. So if you see here,
once creates a new account, we'll get idea, sir.
I will told
Create
you
one more
yesterday,
account like traveling expenses like that.
If you see here, this is the expenses, no? Just select this item and you go and copy. And if you see here, what is the next number? Just we are copying from 3000 BHAM company code and we have to give the 1001. And which company code we are creating? BHAM. Just press enter. If you see here, 1001 BHAM. Go type in description. This is like primary cost, like a revenue is a P&L account, expenses, and you have to change this. So what you have to change? Rent account. Okay. Just I'm giving rent account. Long text, short text, and long text. Just everything is quite common. Control data. If you see here, the sort key is 001 and bank interest G001. This group you have been used and
Sir.
you have to save it.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, in a control data, may we explain about the open item management and etc. and all over the things are appearing in control data?
What?
Sir, may you explain about the open item management etc. in a control data? Open item management.
Yes. In
It will come
ECC it is
later.
there.
It will come later. It will come later.
It will come. Open
Okay.
item is nothing but it is open. So account management in company code, like in generally in ECC, there is one option to open item. We have to put a tick mark. In S/4HANA, there is no such type of thing. It's if the open item is nothing but like it's open. For suppose like
Yeah.
if you go for the vendor thing, no, then you can see all those things. As for the scenario, we can match it. Okay, don't worry, don't be get confused. We are in small stream, no, we will go and we will do all the things, all the areas we will touch. Okay.
Okay.
This is the way to create the one way of creation of the GL account. So what I have been told is nothing but already we have been created same expenses. So why not to go with the create button and all those things? I have been shown you how to copy this. If you want to create, you can go and you have to give the 3002 and for which company code, just press enter, and you have to give all the type and description and all those things. So you have to give the primary cost of revenue and which group it is, expenses, and you can create here like this traveling expenses account. Okay, traveling expenses. Here you can go traveling expenses account. Go to the control data. In control data, what we have to do, I'm giving normally like this thing. As for the need and requirement, we go without any confusion. Scenario comes, I will let you know all those things. Generally, what we are using in the basics, like I'm telling, and later on we move on to other things. If you see here, control data, we have to go to the tab, create bank interest. So I'm giving G001 is the group. If you see here, G001, field status variant is BAJM. Just you can click over there and you have to save it. This is the way to create individual create button. If you are having same access is incurring telephone expenses, in order to give all the type and the descriptions and all those things, what you will do, you just copy this and you just view the other number. Why? Because it is overlap 302 3002 after 3003. You have to give it, and for which company code, just put press enter. All will copy. First of it was been changed. If you see here type and description, all the things you have to change only the description. That's it. Understood? This description is nothing but telephone expenses. Just you can create so many expenses as per your convenience. Okay, this is the way to copy and this is the way to create. I have been telling telephone expenses. Okay, not all has been copied same. Why? Because it's INR, the sort key is same, and create bank interest, it was been copied from the this thing. Just you have to save it. Understood how to create the
These remaining these
Multi-currency.
one by one.
Sir, may I ask?
Of course, like you can ask one by one, one by one. Tell me.
Sir, how can you create a GL in a multi-currency?
I will let you know, sir. Don't worry. It's a foreign currency, like we can go at the topic, I will tell you. Okay. Just now I'm posting in a company called local currency, and later on we'll be setting the foreign currency. Then you can see the all those things. Okay.
Okay.
This is the way to understood and ask the Praveen. Praveen, what's your thought? Please ask.
sir, in that there is control. That one is there, na, sir. One more
Yes. Yes.
control
Where
data.
it is? Control data. Yes, control data is there.
In this control data, there is post automatic. This sir. This all is there, no?
I will let
Alternate account number and tax category. These
I
all
will let
fields
you
are
know.
not.
Now we are not doing that things. No, whenever I want, I will be doing the configuration taxation part. At the time I come and I will let you know the tax categories, automatic, post automatically. What are the things? If I put all the tick marks and if I tell you without scenario matches, you may lead to confusion. We are into small stage right now.
Okay. Means for this GL account part you are telling now.
How to create
Yes.
the GL.
Okay, sir.
So we are like in like we want to construct the house. We are bringing small materials. Like we are like we are setting all those things to build all the things. So when it comes, when it is finished the room, you can choose your color and all the requirements and all those. Without structure, what we can do, no, that's the thing I would like to convey. Okay, don't worry.
Sure.
You will be seeing what are the things are like we can't go for the without situation which was like in a scenario. If I tell all those things, what is the use? I have to match the thing and I have to show the practically. capital, then you will be getting everything. If I tell all the things in a one shot, this is like exchange rate difference, this is the valuation group, this is the tax category, means you may lead to confusion. Just we have been set up, we have been create the GL settings. We have been done with the GL masters. GL masters is nothing but creation of GL accounts, and we have been posted. So we have to see the report. This is one set. Then moving forward, we will see in INR we have been posted. Later on, we have to post it in any currency, foreign currency, how to post the transaction. Understood? Likewise, we'll see one by one. Okay, is it okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Bishop?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Madhukar, are you comfort?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please continue.
Okay. So what we are going to do is nothing but like I have been showing you one entry and I have been showing the report. I have been explained that basic settings, what we have been done the configuration and we have been defined and we have been assigned to company code. What are the things has been there? I have been showing you in fact in like posting the transaction, how it will be impacts and all those things. And now what I would like to say is nothing but I want to show you one thing /n FA GLB03 with the transaction code. If you see here, GL account balance display. So if you want to see the balance, so how to see the balance? 1000 is the GL account, is the HDFC Bank. If you want to see the balance in HDFC Bank and company code is VHAM and for which fiscal year you're going to see 2025 and you have to go and execute it. And what you will be seeing here, if you see here account number is 1000 HDFC Bank for the company code BAJM Bajaj Motors Private Limited for the fiscal year 2025. And if you see here, these are the periods. First period, months. First month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month, sixth month. Are you getting? So as per the non-calendar year, if you see here, this is the April, this is the May, this is the June, this is the July, this is the August, this is the September, is the sixth month. So as per the non-calendar, why? Because we have been defined the fiscal year variant as like a non-calendar year starts from April to March, and we have been assigned to our company code. Company code acts as like when you are going to post the transaction, even though you are giving as a calendar year date and month, but system has to take in consideration into non-calendar year. You have been started from April. April is the first month. In the sixth month, you have been brought the capital of 50 lakhs. Understood? This is the bank. This is the thing. Like if you see here, all the things. Now, I want to show you. I want to post one expenses. I want to post one expenses. Then I will show you. This is the GL account document type SA. We can call as and GL account document is called as a document type SA. And the posting key is 40 for debit. Posting key 50 is for credit. For that. So we are going to post one G expense account that's nothing but like audit fee. Just select this and I'm going to debit it for 50,000.
But sir, why are you posting expenses account through a JB? Maybe
What?
can do why are we posting expenses through JB posting? Why can we not going through a AB60 like posting an invoice?
Of course you can go. You can post like one vendor invoice and you can go accordingly the payment also. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
showing just normally here. You can go with the if he is allowing the credit period of like things like we can go with the credit period and we can do against the invoice. Just I'm showing, okay.
Okay,
I'm showing one expense account should be debited like that I'm showing, okay.
okay, okay.
Are you getting
Just
my
what
point?
is the impact of
This
debit
is
of
the service oriented. I'm telling no. If we purchase is there means we can go and we can do it as per the credit allowed and we can do it.
no, no, sir. Service entry are also entered through AB60. That is a
Of course,
vendor
you can enter. Depends upon the, I'm telling that depends upon this business to business. No, we can pose the JV and we can go with the particular credit and we can do the payment. The thing is like here, I'm telling that I'm not concentrating on this accounting entries and all. How it will be impact what we have been done the configuration and all those things. Whether you want to debit or credit as your business will and wish, but the thing is like we are not an accountants. So I'm telling. As the
got it.
concept of consultant, I'm telling, I'm not that much of enough. Like I don't know how to do the adjustment entries and all those things. That's not my work. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you can do as per the business, but the thing is like how the flow is coming, how it is linking, and how we are doing all those things. That's the main concept. Understood? Am I correct, Madhukar?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 50,000. So if you see here, the text I am giving here, being what audit fee paid. As per your wish, you can do whatever you want to give the narration, you can give. This is the compulsion to give, not like that. Just I'm testing over here. Whether we have been done the configuration and we have been done the master data, if any errors are coming while posting the transaction, we are supposed to see the errors and we should be in the position to sort it out the error. That's it. Just press enter and you go to the document and we are going to simulate it. And if you see here, the thing is the document number has not been generated. Why? Because we are seeing the accounting entry. So this is the header data consisting of which for which the company code we are posting for which legal entity BAJM for fiscal year 2025. And document date is today's date and posting date today's date. You have been told the difference between two things. The period is 06 April to March and this is the September 6th month. So document currency. In which currency we are posting this document? The GL document, INR. If you see here, this is the line item where it's showing the debits and credits. Line item 1, the audit fee is the expenses and expenses is debited with 40 posting fee, 3000 GL account number we have been created. And HDFC Bank, the amount is goes out from the HDFC Bank. 1000 we have been created taken as a reference number and we have been seen the posting case 50. As I told you, like in GL account, debit posting key is 40 and credit posting key is 50. Now I am going to post the entry. While posting the entry, this document will be generating the document number and after that the document number will be shown. Now it's not showing the document number. Just save it, post it. And if you see here, document number 101001 was posted in the company code. I want to show you that, then you will be knowing everything. How to see that? Go to the document and you have to display it. Then you can see the all the things. Document number was being generated. Earlier in simulation, the document number has not been taken. So when I have been post the entry, the system has been taken from the number range. For SCA 01 2025, we have been given 1000 to 1999 and 1000 was been consumed for the share capital. And again, we have posted one expense account. We have been paid one audit fee so that one number has been consumed out of that. So 1000 plus 1, 1001 has been consumed and it was been shown that 1001. So document entry you have been seen. So I want to show you that particular thing. Which document we are seeing? Class-10 OBS 7 and SCA is the document we have been posted. Somebody has been logged the system. Just select this who has been logged. Just select this name, username, Control C and just press enter and give the /n. SM12 is the transaction to remove the logs. Just press enter and if you see here by whom it was been logged, you just this is the username of me. Just remove that and you can paste it over there. Lena. Lena is doing simultaneously with me, so that's the reason the screen was being locked. So in order to release the logs, by whom it was been locked, we have to copy that. And SM12 is the transaction code. In SM12, you have to remove your username and instead of your username, who was been locked this, you have to put it over there and you have to search it. So this thing, just select this select all and you just delete it and the system will be removing these locks. Delete. It was been done. Now what we are going to do, we are going to see the document type. Which type of document we are doing? GL. GL is nothing but SCA. Just go to the SCA and just press enter, select this line item, go to the details button. And if you see here number ranges, It was been assigned to our company code BAJM, and go to the interval display, and you can see here 01. If you see here earlier 1000 is there, and I have been told that if you have been posting the documents one by one, you are posting means it will be generating 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is the NR status, means number range status. The document numbers will be generated from this number range, and the status will be shown as 1001. So 1000 plus 1, 1001. 1000 and 1001 has been created. Two document numbers has been created. And what is the latest one? It will show the 1001. Understood? Praveen,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
Madhukar?
Yes, sir.
Nand Kishore? Nand Kishore. Yes. I will learn accounting entries from you, both of people, Madhukar and Nand Kishore. Okay. Let me allow to do the configurations and testing. And if any accounting entries, you can do accounting entries as per your need and requirement. Okay. Any adjustments and all those things. Okay.
You need not to be learned, sir. You are already an expert.
Not like that, so something has to, you are like a chart, you are like professionals, no? So we have to learn something. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, you have to focus on how we are doing the configuration master data. Later on, like how to do the accounting entries as per the business we can do. You are the people are there, no? Like if any people can users having normal knowledge. So any adjustment things, these are the like a small petty things for you, Madhukar and Nandakishore. This is like you have been shown so many things like experience, no? So if any things is there, you will be involving very like major things you will be seeing. Correct? Yes. So you should know about these configurations and all those things. Accordingly, you can pop up. That's it. Is there any questions from anybody? Is there any questions? No? Just I want to show you one thing like 1 minute, please. So if you see here, I just want to refresh the screen, go to the list and refresh it. And if you see here, again I have been posted with the this assignment is today's date, posting date 1001. Again, one document has been created. And which type of document? SA, and today's date 50 is the posting fee. Now this is the expenses, no credit. So 50,000 has been minus from the 50 lakhs share capital. One expense has been done. So what is the balance? 49 lakhs 50,000. Am I correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now what I would like to show you is nothing but I come again, and if you see here again I come again, and I want to see the balance like FL, FA, GLB 03. Just press enter, and if you see here which GL account we are seeing, HDFC Bank, execute it, and you can see here 6th month. Like if you see here, debit balance is like 50 lakhs, and credit like we have been incurred the expenses 50,000. 50 lakhs minus 50,000, 49 lakhs 50,000 is the balance in the bank. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.